hi you guys, it's Paris Ashiqin, and sebab hari ni saya ada event, so I want to thank Saiz Malaysia sebab hantar dekat kita apa tau, Lakmé L2 hair conditioner. This one is classic, meaning that this is suitable for all hair types. So dia kata ini boleh tolong detangle your hair. Okay, so my problem is usually bila saya buat event kan, nanti dengan angin lah apa benda kan, nanti rambut saya akan start bergulung-gulung dan kusut di hujung-hujung kan. So you know what, I'm gonna try this. Okay, and bau dia sedap, bau macam laut-laut gitu kan, fresh breezy kind of scent. Saya nak make sure supaya apa tau, rambut saya ni, okay, it's a leave-in conditioner, okay, so tak payah cuci. So I just want to make sure, rambut pula, I want to make sure that bila by the end of the day tu kan, rambut kita sentiasa macam manusia kan, jangan nanti dekat belakang-belakang tu dia macam ekor kucing. Okay, so I will let you know as my event progresses kan. Kalau you guys suka, nanti saya letak dalam beg kuning. Okay, so this one is harga dia berapa? RM59 sahaja. So kita tak tahu promo dia sampai bila, so check tau. Okay, bye you guys.